Hi guys, it's Patrick here from Duffy Motorrad, here to present you with the latest addition to our approved used bike range. So here we have a 2016 S1000 XR, and it's a Sport SE model. So I just want to go through some of the individual details on the bike. It's an absolutely gorgeous condition bike. Just from the front we have an adjustable screen, we have handguards, LED indicators, we have twin Brembo brakes on the front, and we have the Motorrad rim tape, really stylish looking. It's orangey rad protectors on it, nice big rads, plenty of cooling, and this bike's also fitted with engine bars. It's a beautiful condition bike, all the panels are absolutely gorgeous on it, and it comes with a full luggage kit. So you have the top box with the passenger back pad, and then you have the two panniers, all coded to the one key. So it's a nice original bike. So I'll just show it to you now from this side. So just on the left side controls, then we have cruise control, daytime riding lights and electronic suspension. We have preparation for GPS, and then on the right side controls we have adjustable riding modes and heated grips. So it's a really nice condition bike, low mileage. If you want to give me a call, Patrick's my name, to arrange a test ride or a viewing on the bike. And the contact number here, it's 01 864 7777. Thank you for watching.